TV's youth channel Bindaas had launched a new adventure reality show called CBF Stunner 10, which had kick-started off on 23rd January 2009, the grand finale of which took place where all the participants selected walked the ramp. Bollywood actors Shiny Ahuja and Bhumika Chawla were present at the event and gave away prizes to the winners. The others who performed at the event were Hardcore, Neha Dhupia and Neeraj Sridhar of Bombay Vikings.
First is their presence, their walk, stage पे वो लोग कैसे चलते हैं, कैसे दिखते हैं. The second round was questions, उनका presence of mind. And the third round was कि उनको questions पूछने थे as a anchor. And I kind of liked the entire round, so अच्छा लगा. It was very easy, it was segmented into good looks, walk, personality, questions and presence of mind.
बहुत अच्छी बात है, सबको encouragement मिल रही है. And such sort of contests are always very encouraging towards the youth and participants, and especially because it gives them a platform to come and display what they are good at. And सबका एक सपना है, वो यहाँ पे अपना सपना पूरा करने के लिए आए हैं और इस शो को एक प्लेटफॉर्म की तरह यूज करके वो आगे जाना चाहते हैं. Bindaas TV is giving them an opportunity to do that. I'm really happy. I know what it feels स्टेज पे जाके जीतना, एक अलग फीलिंग आती है जो कि आपके साथ जिंदगी भर के लिए रहती है. So I wish all the people, all the contestants and all the winners especially all the best.